Understanding the differences between AI, ML, deep learning, and generative AI. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Partha Kuchana, where we discuss everything about technology, from updates and tutorials to career advice and thought-provoking tech discussions. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that's often misunderstood: the differences between artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, deep learning, DL, and generative AI. These terms are frequently used interchangeably, but they actually refer to different things. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these technologies relate to one another and how they are distinct. Let's get started by laying a foundation for these terms, beginning with the broadest concept: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is the overarching term that refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes activities like speech recognition, decision-making, problem-solving, visual perception, and even language translation. AI is essentially the goal of creating machines that can mimic human intelligence to some degree. It's important to note that AI can be categorized into two main types. Narrow AI. This is the type of AI that we encounter most often today. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like facial recognition, customer service chatbots, or recommendation algorithms for streaming services like Netflix or YouTube. These systems are intelligent in a limited domain, but cannot apply their intelligence outside of their designated task. General AI. This is the AI that often sparks the imagination in science fiction, where a machine exhibits human-like intelligence across a variety of tasks, adapting and learning much like a person. We're still far from achieving general AI, and much of today's focus remains on advancing narrow AI technologies. In essence, AI is the broad goal, and within that goal are various techniques such as machine learning and deep learning that allow us to achieve it. Let's now dive into machine learning, ML. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on creating algorithms and models that allow a machine to learn from data. The key feature of ML is that it doesn't require explicit programming for every task. Instead, it enables the system to learn patterns and make decisions based on the data it's trained on. Over time, the more data the machine processes, the better it becomes at performing its task. For example, let's consider email spam filtering. With traditional programming, you would need to manually specify all the rules to identify spam emails. But with machine learning, you can train an algorithm with thousands of examples of spam and non-spam emails, and the machine learns to detect spam on its own. ML models can be categorized into three primary types. Supervised learning. In this approach, the model is trained on labeled data. That means the training dataset includes both input data and the corresponding correct output. Over time, the model learns to map inputs to outputs. Spam detection and image recognition are classic examples of supervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Here, the model is fed input data that is unlabeled and asked to find hidden patterns or structures within it. An example of unsupervised learning is customer segmentation in marketing, where a machine groups customers based on their purchasing behavior without being told how to classify them. Reinforcement learning. In this method, an agent learns to perform tasks by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. This approach is often used in gaming and robotics, where the machine needs to explore the environment and learn from its actions. In summary, ML focuses on creating systems that can automatically learn and improve from experience. Now let's go a level deeper, literally, and discuss deep learning, DL. Deep learning, DL. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses a particular kind of algorithm known as neural networks, which are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning excels at processing large amounts of complex data, such as images, audio, and text. The term deep in deep learning refers to the multiple layers of the neural network, which are often called hidden layers. The more layers a neural network has, the more it can learn complex patterns in data. This structure allows deep learning models to excel in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, NLP, and speech recognition. A practical example of deep learning is image classification. Let's say you want a model to recognize different types of animals in photos. A deep learning algorithm will analyze the images through several layers of processing. In the initial layers, it may recognize basic shapes and edges. In the deeper layers, it can recognize specific features like fur patterns or eye shapes. The model eventually learns to classify animals with high accuracy. Deep learning success comes from its ability to work with massive amounts of data, and it powers much of the AI applications we use today, like self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and advanced healthcare diagnostics. But what about the newest buzzword in AI? That brings us to generative AI. Generative AI, Gen AI. Generative AI represents a specific type of AI that focuses on creating new content, such as text, images, audio, or even video. It's an exciting field that has gained immense popularity with technologies like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which powers tools like ChatGPT, and DALL-E, which can generate original images from text descriptions. Generative AI models work by learning patterns from vast datasets and then using that knowledge to generate new, original content that resembles the data they were trained on. Unlike traditional AI models, which are used to classify or predict data, generative AI is creative. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of generative AI is its potential to transform industries. In entertainment, it's used to create realistic video game environments or even compose music. In healthcare, it's being used to generate synthetic medical data for research. And in business, it's helping companies create personalized marketing content at scale. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI can also be misused to create deepfakes or other misleading content, so ethical considerations are crucial as the technology evolves. Bringing it all together. In summary, AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are interconnected but distinct. Artificial intelligence is the broadest concept, aiming to replicate human intelligence in machines. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data. Deep learning, a further subset of ML, uses neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data, and generative AI is a creative application of these technologies that can generate entirely new content. As technology continues to advance, understanding the differences between these fields will help you navigate the ever-growing landscape of AI innovations. I hope this video helped clarify these concepts and showed how they impact our world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stay tuned for more tech discussions, tutorials, and updates.